What is placebo effect? So we see in our everyday life that some substances has a dramatic effect on human behavior, जिसमें हमारे पास डिफरेंट किस्म की मेडिकेशंस आते हैं, मेडिसिन्स आते हैं। इस तरह फूड के भी इफ़ेक्ट्स होते हैं। इसी तरह डिफरेंट इंग्रेडिएंट्स जो हम लेते हैं तो वो भी हमारे बिहेवियर पे अपना इफ़ेक्ट प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं। सो प्लेसिबो ऐसी ही एक इफ़ेक्ट है जो कि एक इंडिविजुअल एक्सपीरियंस करता है, क्योंकि उसका माइंड उसे ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस देता है या ये सोचता है कि ये जो भी चीज़ मैं ले रहा हूँ इसका एक पर्टिकुलर इफ़ेक्ट मेरी बिहेवियर पे होगा, और इसी थिंकिंग की वजह से वो जो सब्सटेंस है, वो जो भी इंग्रेडिएंट है, वो उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन के बिहेवियर पे एक इफ़ेक्ट प्रोड्यूस करता है, जिसे हम प्लेसिबो इफ़ेक्ट कहते हैं। सो रिमेंबर, प्लेसिबो इफ़ेक्ट प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता। बज़ाहिर नेचर प्लेसिबो की ऐसी है कि इट इज़ अ हार्मलेस मेडिकेशन। इसका कोई इफ़ेक्ट नहीं है। इट्स अ फेक मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट। जिस तरह आप इसको शुगर पिल ले लें या कोई शुगर की टैबलेट है, कि अगर आप इसको किसी पेशेंट को दे दें या किसी भी इंडिविजुअल को दे दें तो उसकी वजह से उसकी बिहेवियर पे कोई इफ़ेक्ट प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता। इसी तरह कोई वाटर इंजेक्शन ले लें, कोई भी सब्सटेंस जिसकी नेचर जो इंडिविजुअल है उसको पता नहीं है, लेकिन उस इंग्रेडिएंट का, उस पर्टिकुलर मेडिकेशन का एक पर्टिकुलर असर उसके बिहेवियर पे होता है। सो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द प्लेसिबो इफ़ेक्ट. So remember, the effect was not produced because of that particular medication or tablet or pill or that neutral injection that was given to the individual. So the effect that is produced is because the individual expects or believes that the substance will work or it will happen. So all the placebo effect is because of the mind or the thinking of the person. So placebo has a dramatic effect on health and behavior. The effect is believed to be psychosomatic, which means that it is basically the mind or the psyche that has produced the effect rather than the placebo. So the placebo has no role in producing the effect, rather it is the thinking or the mind of the person or the belief of the person that produce the effects. और इसकी एग्जांपल हम अपने एवरीडे लाइफ में देखते हैं कि जहाँ पे पेशेंट्स रिपोर्ट करते हैं कि ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस या ऐसे वेजिटेबल्स या ऐसे फूड इंटेक जिनकी वजह से उनकी एक पर्टिकुलर बीमारी हील हो जाती है, and they recover because of that particular medication, which although has no role on healing the behavior of the person. इसकी एक interesting example ये भी है कि in a research a placebo was used and it was given to the people, and the people were told that that particular substance is a stimulant. So when the people took that particular pill, so their pulse rate speeded up, their heart rate increased, and their reaction time improved, and they were performing better on a particular task or skill. But when the same pill were given to the people and they were told that it is sleep inducing, so the people after taking the same pill and the same medicine, so they felt sleepy. So this was all because of the thinking or the belief that they have in that particular substance, and that was producing these opposite effects. A placebo effect is mostly used in research to find the effect of a new drug or a new treatment. इसको आप कोई वैक्सीन ले लें, कोई मेडिसिन ले लें कि जिनकी इफ़ेक्टिवनेस के बारे में हम रिसर्च करते हैं, और उसी रिसर्च में प्लेसिबो का इफ़ेक्ट या प्लेसिबो का जो रोल है वो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. So what is the use of placebo in medication or in finding the effectiveness of a drug? So there are two groups being formed. One group, which is called the experimental group, is given the drug which is to be tested, while the placebo is given to the control group. Remember again, placebo is a neutral substance. It may be a sugar pill which is given to the control group. And none of the individual or the participant know that they are given the real treatment or they are given the placebo. And the effect of the drug is then find out. Again, the placebo effect is also find out, and then we compare the effect that was due to the drug or due to the treatment and the effect that was produced by the placebo. Let's understand this from this example. Let's suppose the control group is given the placebo and then they are tested, or we take a post test that what was the effect of the placebo on their behavior or on a particular disease which they have. So let's suppose that after taking the placebo, there was a score registered of 25. This 25 basically represents the effect of the placebo which was recorded. It may be the value obtained from the level of the disease. It can be heartbeat, it can be the level of sugar, it can be the level of any particular mineral that the person has. And in comparison, the experimental group is given the treatment. So let's suppose after taking the treatment or the drug, the value on the machine was 70. So while the effect for the placebo was if noted as 25, the effect due to the drug was 70. And now we can find the effect due to the drug. So the effect due to the drug would be 70 minus 25, which is 45. So this 45 is the overall effect of the drug or the treatment.